Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the fuel filter on BMW 530D E60 model. The fuel filter is located underneath the car, just above this plastic cover. We need to remove the bolts for the plastic cover to get access to the fuel filter. And here's the fuel filter. First we need to remove this bracket on the front, then we need to remove the one on the rear, and then we need to remove the metal clip that holds the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter out. Now we can put on the new fuel filter. After putting on the new fuel filter, don't forget to turn the ignition on and off 5 to 10 times so that the electric fuel pump bleeds the fuel system, and that's it. If the video was useful, give the video thumbs up, maybe subscribe to the channel to see more videos. Thank you very much.